Hello and welcome back to the FoodEducators video series. In this video, we will introduce our lesson plan format, what you can find in them, and how you can adapt them to your classroom needs. All of our lesson plans are available at foodeducators.eu. Let's take a look at the website. First, you will need to create an account. Once you've created the account and you're logged in, you can choose the language of the website and the lesson plans you will download. You can download our complete lesson plan collection in English, and a selection of lesson plans are available in additional languages. Our local hubs and partners are working hard to translate our resources into as many languages as possible, so our language selection is updated from time to time. An additional resource you can access on our website is our Day in the Life video series. Now, let's enter the resource section. Click on the menu to enter the database, where you can choose the language, the theme, and the target age group. You can then navigate through the different lesson plans. Select a lesson plan to see its description and click the download button. The files will be automatically saved on your computer under your download folder in a zip folder. Double-click it to unzip it. The file whose name starts with LP is the main lesson plan. Let's open it to have a closer look. On the first page of the document, you will find a series of basic information about the lesson. The target age group indicates which class the lesson is adapted to. We sorted the lesson plans into three main categories: 7 to 10, 9 to 12, and 12 to 18. Each lesson plan is a coherent unit and can be used separately. However, you can also link lesson plans to each other, creating a series of food-related classes for your students. You'll find suggestions for related lesson plans here. The introduction gives you some context and background to the lesson plan topic. The learning objectives focus on specific student-oriented objectives for each lesson plan. However, all our lesson plans have two main objectives: to develop food system thinking and understand their complexity, interrelation, as well as the variety of jobs found within them, and to promote sustainable and healthy lifestyles, from farm to fork to disposal. Here's the recommended duration of the lesson. We conform to a standard class duration of 45 minutes. However, some topics need more time and therefore more classes. This is indicated when relevant. Each lesson plan includes an estimate of preparation time for the teacher. Lesson preparation is marked as either 1 short, which is about 15 minutes, 2 medium, which is about 30 minutes, and 3 long, more than 30 minutes. Here's our suggestion of school subject that the lesson can be integrated or aligned with. On the second page, you will find the agenda table. This table will give you an overview of the lesson and how to pace it. It will show you the main steps of the lesson at a glance, including the exercises you'll carry out and the supporting materials you will need. At the end of the document, you will find some additional resources, such as podcasts, videos, or relevant articles to enrich your teaching. These are not required, and you can teach the lessons without accessing them, but they can enhance your knowledge and understanding of the lesson topic. Together with the lesson plan, you will find some supporting materials to use in class. They vary from one lesson to another. Some include a power presentation that you can present to your students, or activity sheets to print and distribute to your class. To conclude, if you have watched our previous videos, especially the video introducing our themes, you have an opportunity to be a Food Educator certified teacher. First, complete this short quiz. Finally, the last and most important step will be to use our lesson plans in your classroom. Once you have done that, we would welcome your feedback in this short form. Thank you.